2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.